Hi there, students. An adrenaline junkie. Okay, an adrenaline junkie is a person who is compelled to do dangerous and exciting things. They've just got to do it. They are addicted to doing things that give them an adrenaline rush. And adrenaline junkies can do all sorts of things. You could do skydiving. You could play contact sports. You could even crime is something that is something an adrenaline junkie might do. But normally these the experiences of an adrenaline junkie, they're seeking sensation. They're seeking something dangerous, without regard for their physical well-being, their legal or even their financial well-being. So an adrenaline junkie is somebody who's addicted to doing dangerous things. Let's see. A junkie is a person who takes drugs, who takes illegal drugs, who is addicted to drugs. But in this case, it's somebody who wants to do something all the time. They have an addiction to a particular activity. I guess you could have a computer junkie or a publicity junkie. And then adrenaline. Adrenaline is a hormone in your body which your body produces when you're frightened or angry or excited, and adrenaline makes your heart beat very fast, and you breathe, and your body is preparing to react to danger. And so an adrenaline junkie is somebody who is addicted to adrenaline. They are constantly seeking out dangerous activities. So that they go skydiving as often as they can, or they drive fast cars, or they go bungee jumping. So an adrenaline junkie is somebody who's always seeking out dangerous things to do, things that will make them will make their heart go rapidly, without caring about the fact that this might be dangerous. Effectively, this is saying that this is somebody who is addicted to adrenaline. They are seeking risks. They're seeking thrills. They are looking for something that is going to give them an adrenaline rush, an adrenaline high. It's going to make them react. So these are people who enjoy intense, thrilling activities that generate an adrenaline rush. And a rush is a sudden increase, a sudden in your body. So an adrenaline junkie, high risk activities, because like that they get to feel the adrenaline that goes with them. They have a strong craving for doing high intensity activities. Let's see. It could be interesting trying something for once, but I'm definitely no adrenaline junkie. So an adrenaline junkie, somebody who loves taking extreme risks, somebody who's addicted to adrenaline. They're thrill seekers. They're daredevils. It's an adrenaline addiction. I think maybe they're bored if they don't do these exciting, thrilling things. But it needs to be something that triggers the release of adrenaline. So it needs to be something that is genuinely dangerous, that it has an element of something that is unsafe and that is going to that could have serious consequences. Okay, so anyway, an adrenaline junkie, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. Use it informally, used in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but not something very formal. And then an adrenaline junkie. Well, it's a junkie, a narcotics addict, who's addicted to junk drugs, and their drug is adrenaline. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. An adrenaline junkie.